Welcome back, space enthusiasts. Today, we embark on an epic journey that will captivate our imaginations and shape the future of humanity. Get ready as we dive into the thrilling world of SpaceX's Starship, destined for settlement on the mesmerizing red planet, Mars. From the visionary mind of Elon Musk, SpaceX has been tirelessly working to make interplanetary colonization a reality. The Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft, holds the key to our future on Mars. This revolutionary engineering marvel is designed to transport both crew and cargo. Imagine a future where humans call the red planet home. SpaceX's Starship will make this dream a reality. With its ability to launch, land, and relaunch, the possibilities are endless. This technological marvel will enable humanity to explore distant planets and expand our horizons like never before. But what does it take to settle Mars? SpaceX is developing sustainable systems to create rocket propellant on the planet's surface, using its own resources. This groundbreaking process, known as in situ resource utilization, will help make Mars self-sufficient and pave the way for long-term human habitation. The Starship's journey to Mars is a monumental step towards a multiplanetary future. It will carry brave astronauts, state-of-the-art equipment, and hope for a new beginning. Together, we will push the boundaries of exploration and unlock the mysteries of the universe. We are living in an extraordinary time, where humanity is on the brink of becoming an interplanetary species. The potential for discovery, scientific advancement, and the ultimate survival of our species rests with SpaceX's Starship and the indomitable spirit of exploration. So, join us in this awe-inspiring mission, as we witness the birth of a new era. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest developments, remarkable discoveries, and the incredible journey of SpaceX's Starship to settle Mars. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future lies beyond the stars.